bidet. The brand is Smarter Fresh. I got it from Amazon. It is for $28. Pretty decent packing and material. So this is the main valve which is going to control everything. This part is going to be connected to the water tank. This one for the water intake, and this one to the bidet. I don't expect it to be very long or difficult to install. First, I have to flush it, flush the tank, turn off the water from there, flush the tank so that it is empty. Then put something here to catch water, because even after emptying it, there will be some seepage. So I'll show you. The first step is to close this water valve from here. Flush it. And let's check how much water is in it. Even after flushing, there is quite a bit of water. So I'm going to hold it up like this till almost all of the water is drained. Now, even now, there is a good 1 inch of water standing there. And if I open that valve, which is that one there in the water inlet line, if I open it from there, the water is going to flood everywhere here. So first I need to put something to catch the water. So I have used this to catch the water which has drained. And now, as you can see, it is ready for connecting the bidet. The T valve here. So I have loosely installed everything. This is how it looks like after finally getting installed. I haven't tightened it as yet. I'm just finger tightening it. So once everything is properly installed, then I will tighten it with it. This is the end where the bidet will be installed. I have connected everything, tightened everything. This is how it finally looks like. And this is how it works. I have not opened the valve 100% because there is no need. You can adjust the pressure, and also the flow is, as you can see here, it can be gently controlled. And this is max. And this is the holder. You just hang it here like this. The instructions provided say that you have to close this valve after every use, as that is a safety precaution. I'm not sure how convenient that is. So I will probably leave it as such. We'll see how it performs. Thanks for watching.